Insect pupae hibernation time 1 to 2 months. Snook hibernation time 1 to 2 months. Raccoon hibernation time 1 to 2 months. American blazer hibernation time 1 to 2 months. Ladybug hibernation time 3 to 4 months. Field cricket hibernation time 3 to 4 months. Honeybees hibernation time 3 to 4 months. Eel hibernation time 3 to 5 months. Monarch butterfly hibernation time 3 to 5 months. Lizard hibernation time 3 to 5 months. Woodchuck hibernation time 3 to 5 months. Galapagos tortoise hibernation time 3 to 5 months. Newtos hibernation time 4 to 5 months. American bullfrog hibernation time 4 to 5 months. Red-eared Snyder turtle hibernation time 4 to 5 months. Painted turtle hibernation time 4 to 5 months. Arctic fish hibernation time 4 to 6 months. Bat hibernation time 4 to 6 months. Salamander hibernation time 4 to 6 months. Common toad hibernation time 4 to 6 months. Box turtle hibernation time 4 to 6 months. Chipmunk hibernation time 4 to 6 months. Asian giant hornet hibernation time 5 to 6 months. Viper hibernation time 5 to 6 months. European hedgehog hibernation time 5 to 6 months. American black bear hibernation time 5 to 6 months. Wood frog hibernation time 3 to 7 months. Garter snake hibernation time 4 to 7 months. Grizzly bear hibernation time 5 to 7 months. Asian black bear hibernation time 5 to 7 months. European marmot hibernation time 6 to 7 months. Ground squirrels hibernation time 6 to 8 months. Fat dormouse hibernation time 6 to 9 months. Arctic ground squirrel hibernation time 8 to 9 months. Alluvial dormouse hibernation time 11 months. Woolly bear caterpillar hibernation time 1 to 2 years. Brainspill cistos hibernation time 1 to 2 years. Garden snail hibernation time 1 to 3 years. African lungfish hibernation time 3 to 4 years. Tardigrade hibernation time 10 years.